How to make $200 a day with Temu. Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. So in this video, I'll be showing you today on how you can make $200 a day with Temu. So I'll be showing you a method and how you can execute and make a lot of money with Temu. So let's go ahead and get right into that in this video. So first of all, make sure that you actually have an account with Temu, and if you haven't already, go ahead and create one. You can use my link down in the description. It really does help out the channel. So that's my Temu referral code that you can use. But basically, you can go ahead and once you created your account, head over to the U page here. Now, you're gonna want to make sure to go down to earn credits and free gifts. Now, the second option or the third option here and fourth option are what you're going to want to go ahead and look for. You can also use the cash affiliate program, but it's not as good as the redeem cash and cash reward program here. So it's the same affiliate program, but go ahead and join the redeem cash one. Now here you can see that we actually have $50 of PayPal if we actually get 140 in our balance. Now you can see here, this $50, another $50, another $50, about $450. So that equates to about $200. So you can actually make that a day just by referring friends. All you have to do is click the refer one friend button here to spin and go ahead and copy link or your code. And you can actually share to TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. Now, a method here is if you actually create a TikTok account and you actually go ahead and promote this, it's very easy to do. It's very simple. People will actually go ahead and join with your code, and you can make a lot of money just by doing this. They can grow theme pages as well. Now, that is the first method. You can actually use devices that you haven't used before for the second method. This could be devices like your old iPhone from like 5 years ago, iPhone 6. I found that like iPhone 6 and up does work. So if you have any of those phones, just go ahead and use them as long as they haven't had an account created on them. Now, it doesn't really matter how unique the phone is. Now, you could use the same IP address as long as the device is unique, right? So basically, that is the second method. Now, the third method is if you head over to the comment section and you guys actually use each other's referral codes. Now, you can actually have a comment frenzy down below in the comment section. You can share each other's codes and help each other out. Now, basically, that's how you go ahead and make $200 a day. As long as you go ahead and refer as much people as you can actually get the level 4 reward here, which is going to equate to $200 at the end of the day. So that's $200 a day. Rinse and repeat. You'll go ahead and make that money a day. Rest assured, if you keep it up, that can like equate to about almost 6 figures a year. So just go ahead and do that. Very easy and it's very simple.